Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. I hope you're doing good. I know this is going to be an early video because I'm a cricket fan and we know what is there in the evening. So let's not focus there. Let's get back to the charts. A lot of people are talking about negative sentiments. I'll tell you why they are talking also. We'll just go and see some of their reasons why they are talking about being negative. Look at this here, right? So this is the kind of momentum that in the US markets we saw. Huge fall down in the prices. That is why, if you see in the 1440, 1 second. Yeah, this is the day that was seen, all right. Almost 3.5% fall was there. Now, this is the reason why people are talking negative. Now, let's not get there. Let's try and be systematic in our approach, all right, and try and understand what is happening in Indian markets. Okay, we will draw our levels, we will mark our levels, and we will see if price comes in there. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come. We can't do anything about it, right? But we cannot go with an idea ki because there is happened here, we will also go there, or no, those things will have to change. We'll have to change our way of thinking and looking at charts, right? Now that day also, if you see, there was a lot of negativity this particular day, right? A lot of negative is there. Gap down hua, a lot of people put shorted their markets and eventually the prices went up, right? So there can be situations. So as a trader, you cannot be under one impression that this only will happen. All right, now having said that, I'm going to go step by step. Let's start with weekly analysis, try to understand what has happened on a weekly analysis. All right, we'll remove this. Now if you see here very clearly, just like on the April 11th, what we had is a shooting star followed by a red candle, and then the prices fell down, right? Here also at the same level, when there is a resistance, the price created a kind of a shooting star, right? Next week the prices tried to go down but were forced, right? The prices were forced to push back, right? That means यहाँ पर काफी strong buyers है as of now, right? Whether they will remain or not is a different question, right? As of now, there are people who are standing with put selling, right, at these levels. Now, do you want to check with that with the open interest? We'll do that as well. We'll just go and see what has happened. Now, you look at these puts over here. Okay, open interest is always written with the context of the sellers. Correct? Sellers के हिसाब से लिखा रहता है. ये जितने भी red color दिख रहे हैं, these are put sellers. That means who are expecting the markets to be positive or beyond above this level. So somebody is writing 17,300, they're expecting the prices will be above 17,300. Similarly 17,400, that means people are expecting the prices to be above 17,400, right? Similarly open interest वगैरह आप देख सकते हो. तो काफी सारा put sellers are sitting at this place. That is why you saw that there was an immediate rush back in the prices coming upside. Now whether that will continue or not is a different story. What will happen if the prices breach those level, we will discuss as we go ahead. But we'll go to the next step. Now, next step में क्या है? As of now, we have marked this level 17,354. We had also marked 17,158 a few days back, right? That was our first level. We expected the prices to touch her, but it didn't. Before this itself, the prices went up. So our level of 17,150 still remains strong. Now, what else can we see here? We can see one more thing, and that is this level, right? And we have this level right now, which is all-time high. These are the levels that are interesting to me. Now, if you see why these are interesting, look at this candle, right? This candle, look at this candle first of all, right? 1 second. Look at this candle. So there was a inside candle. It tried to break out, again it came down. So that means somebody is there who is a strong seller at 17,700 levels, right? Let's look at it, 17,700, look at this. Call sellers are setting high, right? That is why you will see that the price is going towards 17,700 and coming down back, right? Now, we'll understand that also and we'll move ahead. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? Inside candle बना है, right? So I'm going to mark a level here also. Why? Because there is an inside candle. Now these are the levels, most important levels on Nifty as of now, right? If the prices breaches this level, can we see a gap covering? We will see that later, right? So as of now, prima facie, these are the levels that I can see, Now we'll go into a shorter time frame and see if there is anything that we have missed out. Is there anything that we have missed out? No. No, I don't think so. We have missed out anything as of now. Yeah, clearly we have not missed out anything. Is there any else pattern I can see? I can see something like this. Right? This is a trend line that is being formed. This is a kind of resistance, support, resistance, support आ रहा है, right? So something like this, a pattern is being formed. Now we'll consider scenarios like what people are considering, that the prices will gap down. Okay, gap down by 1% or 2%, whatever it is, right? So that means अगर gap down होता है more than 1%, that means it is breaking this level, right? Which is at 17,500. 17,500 पे काफी सारा puts है as of now. If that breaks, that means eventually all the put sellers will exit, right, and start moving into 17,300, 200 and so on, or convert their positions to on the other side of it, right? That means that will kick off a greater momentum downside, correct? And that is only when the prices gaps down immediately. Please remember, right? If the prices go slowly, no, it will keep continuously falling. But if there is a gap down suddenly, there will be a reaction back from the participants in the market. So where can we see the reactions? We can see the reactions at 1 and 2 levels. These are the levels will be important to see for us. So if tomorrow there is a gap down somewhere here, so we will want to see this might get taken out, but this should hold on to it. 17,150 should hold on to it. 17,350 might look like a thing. If the markets are not strong, okay, I mean in seller's perspective, if the markets are not strong, if the buyers are still holding their positions, you will see that 17,350 say immediately there will be a pushback, creating a chaos like what it had done in this level, right? Only if it doesn't cross back this level of 17,500, holds here, then we will get to see that the prices will fall further down to our 17,200 odd levels. Otherwise, we will see that the price will hover in this region, right? Now, apart from this, can I go wrong? Yes, I can go wrong. The wrong will be like immediately the prices starts falling without any sense, like this day on 25th August. Right? All of a sudden it fell last session mein, and nobody saw it, right? If there is a book being created in the first few hours, you will see that the prices might fall in that similar fashion. Otherwise, I would like to see how it reacts at these levels and 17,150 levels. As of now, this is all I am going to do. Now, I always prefer whenever there is a kind of say news, I try and avoid to take bigger trades. We'll be looking at a smaller trades. Now, Sharon, what if it doesn't gap down or anything? If it doesn't gap down and all, these are the levels 17,750 and 17,489. These are the levels, because if you see 1440 days, you'll get to know why I'm saying that. It is because of this setup, right, which is inside candle, right? As long as the price opens within this range and it doesn't go out, that means I'm going to either be shorting the market below this level or looking to buy above this level. So this is the scenario. Only when there is gap down, we will see how it will react at 350. If it doesn't and if it breaks even that, then we will see 17,155 levels. We might get to see, I'm not saying we will, we might get to see. Similarly, if there is a gap up tomorrow, okay, I know it is sounds a little weird, but as a trader, I can expect the prices to go up also. I am not going to say it will happen like this only. If it happens like that, if it gaps up straight away, so 17,700 levels where our call sellers are high, I need to see whether it sustains above this, right? If it sustains above this, then we can see a brighter momentum upside. Otherwise, again, you will see that the prices will contrast in this way itself. Right? So this is my plan for tomorrow. I'm not saying it will go down or it has to go down or it may not go down. I'm expecting, I am as a probability I'm putting, okay, this happens, this can happen, this can happen, right? So tomorrow, whichever scenario occurs, I will be ready to take a trade based on that, right? I'm a trader. I don't care whether it goes down or up. I need to see what is happening and according to take my decisions. I hope this is clear. If there is anything else, please let me know. See you on the other side and have a good evening. Have a nice match you can watch. All right. See you on the other side tomorrow. Chalo, bye.